Hello guys, welcome back. Looking to upgrade your home with smart time-saving devices? We've rounded up the top 5 household gadgets actually worth buying. These innovative tools enhance convenience, improve efficiency, and make daily tasks easier. From cleaning to cooking, these must-have gadgets will transform your home and simplify your life. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 5. Portable steamer. The portable steamer is your go-to solution for wrinkle-free clothes anytime, anywhere. Designed for convenience, this compact and lightweight steamer quickly removes creases from a variety of fabrics, making it ideal for home use, travel, and business trips. With rapid heat-up technology, it delivers powerful steam in seconds, ensuring effortless garment care. Equipped with a leak-proof design, it allows for both vertical and horizontal steaming. Without drips or spills, the ergonomic handle and easy-to-fill water tank provide a hassle-free experience. Safe for delicate fabrics like silk and wool, as well as heavier materials, it's a versatile addition to your routine. Whether you need a quick touch-up or deep wrinkle removal, the portable steamer ensures your clothes always look fresh and polished. Number 4. Milk frother. The milk frother is the perfect tool for creating rich, creamy foam for your favourite coffee drinks. Whether you love lattes, cappuccinos, or macchiatos, this powerful frother delivers smooth, velvety milk in seconds. Designed with a high-speed whisk and ergonomic handle, it ensures effortless operation and precise control. The stainless steel construction guarantees durability, while the lightweight design makes it easy to use and store. With a one-touch button, you can froth hot or cold milk, giving you cafe-quality beverages at home. Ideal for coffee enthusiasts, the milk frother is battery-operated and easy to clean, making it a convenient addition to any kitchen. Elevate your coffee experience and enjoy barista-quality drinks anytime with this must-have frothing tool. Number 3. Electric wine opener. The electric wine opener is a sleek, powerful, and easy-to-use device designed to open your favourite bottles effortlessly. With just the push of a button, it removes corks in seconds, making it perfect for wine lovers, entertainers, and special occasions. Its rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance, allowing you to open multiple bottles on a single charge. This modern wine opener features an ergonomic, lightweight design for a comfortable grip, while the transparent corkscrew chamber lets you watch the magic happen. It works with natural and synthetic corks, ensuring versatility for any wine collection. Complete with a foil cutter for seamless opening, the electric wine opener adds convenience and sophistication to your wine experience. Elevate your evenings with this must-have tool for every wine enthusiast. Number 2. Air fryer. Enjoy delicious, crispy, and evenly cooked meals with the air fryer. Designed with advanced air circulation technology, this air fryer uses little to no oil, reducing fat intake while keeping your favourite foods crunchy and flavourful. With a spacious cooking basket, it accommodates everything from fries and chicken wings to vegetables and desserts. The easy-to-use digital controls let you adjust temperature and time for precise cooking. Plus, its sleek, compact design fits perfectly in any kitchen. The air fryer ensures faster cooking times and effortless cleanup with a non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket. Whether you're making a quick snack or a full meal, this air fryer is your go-to appliance for healthier, guilt-free indulgence. Number 1. Robot vacuum cleaner. Keep your home spotless with the robot vacuum cleaner, designed for convenience and efficiency. This smart robotic vacuum features advanced navigation technology, powerful suction, and intelligent sensors to ensure thorough cleaning on carpets, hardwood, and tile floors. With its automatic mapping system, the vacuum efficiently covers every corner while avoiding obstacles. The strong suction power effortlessly picks up dust, pet hair, and debris, leaving your floors pristine. Its smart app control allows you to schedule cleanings and adjust settings remotely. Equipped with a long-lasting battery, the vacuum runs for extended periods before automatically returning to its charging dock. Experience hands-free cleaning with voice assistant compatibility, making tidying up effortless. Upgrade your home with the robot vacuum cleaner for a cleaner, smarter lifestyle. So guys, that's all for the top 5 household gadgets actually worth buying. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.